Mini Kit Monday friends. I wanted to show you my layout share and my Kit. Now, I did a lot of layouts with this kit and they're all on my channel. There's one that's being released on January 1st. So I will show you a corner, but I can't show it to you, but it's on January 1st. But let me show you my 4 layouts that I did. And you know, there's videos for all of it, so I won't keep saying that, but I have this one here. Loved working with this kit because I had both Vicki Boutin and Heidi Swapp in this, and they're totally different vibes on both of them. So my layouts really, I mean, you know, some are very similar, but I mean, I did get a nice amount of differences. And you know, I'm into challenges, so I'd use different things on each project, but you'll see. I mean, you saw if you saw my layouts. I have this one, mostly Vicki Boutin on this one, but a little bit of cork action brought in for a challenge I had. This one right here is rather Vicki Boutin in appearance, except for that rub-on was a very old hand-me-down rub-on that I'd gotten, and it's from Fancy Pants, and it rubbed on beautifully. Crazy good. And here's my 4th one. And yes, so this is the 4th layout. Even got a little shaker element going. I know that's a lot. It's very shaky when you see that on video. Little Heidi Swapp mixed with Vicki Boutin. So that really came together. Like that's Heidi Swapp, and that is from a previous kit. It's a Dear Lizzie little piece. But like I said, there are videos for all of that. Now the one I can't show you, I'll sneak it in. It's this one. That's January 1st. Okay, then the other layouts that I just kept going with different challenges and whatnot with my kit. All right, so you saw the 4 for Mini Kit Monday. I did this one right here, which I really liked the way this came out. It worked for this gym layout, so I was really excited with that. Kind of embellishment heavy, which I like, and all that kind of stuff. Then I have this one right here, which is gold paper, gold texture paste, and gold mist. Digging on that. So this ended up being, by the way, a companion page to this one. You know, if you don't look at those, because I know that's a mess. So ended up being a companion page. This is when she was starting to get her tattoo, and that is when she had it. So fun little companion page. Here's another one. Now this one takes on quite a different look because I was using the back sides of papers and some scraps and all of that. This one looks so different than those bright Vicki Boutin ones. I have vellum here, which I flipped upside down because I didn't want the metallic gold showing because I had so much of this gorgeous kind of pinky copper in the Heidi Swapp kit. So that was kind of cool and nifty. This one has a lot going on and I love it. I have a really old Fancy Pants rub-on I added into the kit for that. I had a little bit of cork I added in, but for the most part, I was working this kit pretty hard. Use this for another video in an 8.5 by 11 on the horizontal, using a nice ripped circular piece of that gorgeous vellum piece. This one is a lot more simple. It's very mixed media oriented. I've got some texture paste, splatty bits, all of that I brought in for it. And this piece right here is just that almost chipboard that goes on the back of the vellum when you get it from that indigo and ivy vellum. Kind of neat. And then lastly, this one, it was for a mixed media piece that I did with just smearing on some gold texture paste with a palette knife and going for it. So those are the layouts I got out of this kit, which is crazy amount. Let me show you the papers I have left. I have one full-size sheet. One full-size sheet, and I know it's super glary, of this indigo and ivy, beyond gorgeous, luscious, amazing. I really like it, by the way, vellum. But I will also have that second sheet of that white, really thick kind of cardstock, and I will use it. So I have that. For my scraps that I have left for my 12 by 12s, that's what I've got. And my friends are gonna go, those are cute, aren't they? Are gonna go into the recycle bin. Okay. For my Vicki Boutin paper pad that was new when we started this, let's see, it had 24 sheets in it. That's what I have left for full-size sheets in here. Oh, that's not even a full size. But yes, that's what I have left for my full size. And I have this nice little pouch of scraps. So I'll keep that with my Vicki Boutin pad and keep using that up. I'll keep pulling from that. All right, let's see what's next. Let's show you the alphas. This one I did a great job with. I used a ton off of this one. Really liked that it got traction. I could really use a lot less numbers in my layouts. And I barely use this, which makes no sense because I love it. It's wood grain with a really nice peachy color on the side. Didn't get much traction there. For my Vicki Boutin Honey Puffy stickers, used a nice amount on that. Look at that. That is so cool how much I got used on that. Oh, wait. I found a giant scrap. I like the rainbows. Okay, so I have that from my 12 by 12s. Then from my Heidi Swapp sticker sheet, this was put together, but I needed to cut out the outline of a star right there. I used not as much as I would have thought. So I'm going to have to work on that just a little bit more. I used a nice amount of the labels though. Oh, that label's still there, but I did use some labels. I used so much of the Vicki Boutin kind of product line on this that I kind of concentrated there. For my trims, I used a lot of these, none of the silver whatsoever, which is kind of interesting. But I did have gold in this and I had the copper, and I really couldn't find a way to bring in another silver. Did not touch my cute little black pom-pom trim. Now for these pieces, do you remember that I had the pink paisley? It had the wood veneer, used all of them, and it had sequins, used all of them, and I still have some of these little paper clips. For this was a new set of enamel pieces, and I used all of them except for the navy, which I used, nope, wait, I did use like 2 little navy stars, and that's it. Next, didn't even open my stamps or my Cool Colory Chromatics markers. Next, let's see what we have next. Now for my Vicki Boutin die cuts, I did a bang up job on them. This is all I have left there. Can easily kill that off on one more layout. My Heidi Swapp die cuts, I do have a lot more. Like I have a lot more of those stickers, so I will have a lot to work with on the next couple of beautiful, kind of gorgeous Heidi Swapp looking layout pieces. So that's what I have. I hope you like how much I was able to do with this kit. I had a ball with it, and I will see you guys ever so soon. Bye bye, friends.